use the product that we love and that we've created, and we want you to take your skills as filmmakers, go into that world, and create something different than anything else out there. And in order to do that, you need to problem solve. First, you got to figure out, well, what is this thing and this engine that you have? And we have to learn about it very quickly. Number two, we have to build a team to figure out how can we make this work. And number three, we have to devise a pipeline so that our team members and the actual core asset that we got from Epic and Xbox can be used and can be put up lauded for that reason, so that people understand what we're doing. And it takes a lot of thought to figure out how that happens. And so through a team that we have at Digital Domain, we were able to figure out how do we interface with the engine, how do we get what we need out of the engine, how can we get our core knowledge back into it from filmmaking, with major directors, and get a product that is easy for someone to direct. And through the 6 projects of Gears of War, the 6 commercials, we've built up that knowledge of how to do it. And we've taken that knowledge and now we have coalesced into a virtual production system that literally is quite wonderful, and it allows a greater audience of non-tech heads, people who can come in from a directing background, coming from an acting background, go into this facility and not be afraid of what they see, but to enjoy it and get back to the roots of theater and performance.
All right, just one last question. With your trailers that you do and other things like that, for Ash Asked, for example, how much does that usually cost to make something 30 seconds long? How long does it take you to make it, et cetera?
Well, what's interesting is in the advertising world, you have to be quick and accurate. And typically, commercials of that size, whether they're 60 seconds or 30 seconds, generally fall around the $800,000 to $1 million range to make that happen. But as time is going on, these budgets are getting smaller. This is just the reality of the way the world works. And it's not uncommon to spend $500,000 or less on a product like that and to get a quality that screams that it was $1 million or more. The reason for those types of prices is the immediacy that it's needed, the team that you're acquiring, which is a film team, and the quality that you need to get it done quickly. But what is happening is that stuff is changing because technology is moving, and you're seeing a consolidation of artistry and of technology so that you can get things done quicker, and people are understanding the medium better so they can get their costs down.
I've got a question for you.
Yeah.
And when you answer it, maybe.
I'll answer to the same. Yeah.
So what do you think it is about the kind of digital media that you're into that is attracting so many viewers and such a big audience?
Oh, wow. I think the audience was always there, and I grew up with the Atari, and I grew up with Star Wars and Clash of the Titans, and my celebrities were things that you can't really interact with. I mean, R2-D2 and C-3PO, the Kraken, things like this are celebrities for me that I want to be able to interact with. And I think there are creations out there like Ian Flux or Marcus Phoenix or Master Chief that have stories and that have become our new celebrities, and they're virtual celebrities. And we were waiting to be able to interface with them, and now we can. We can become them, we can watch them, and we can see them in multiple roles. And I think the audience was always there, waiting for this moment, so that then we can talk about it in kind of a global town hall, which is the internet.
Okay, so last of all, we're going to have you this time look at the camera.
Okay.
And restate your name, your position, and just add in a plug, say, and please subscribe to Silicon Slopes.
Oh, Silicon Slopes. Okay, no problem. My name is Vernon Wilbert. I'm a commercial director and visual effects supervisor at Digital Domain and Mothership. And remember to connect with Silicon Slopes. Let me do it again.
Okay.
We're going Silicon Slopes.
Yeah, subscribe to Silicon Slopes.
SSS. That's okay. Silicon Slopes. And I'll do it again.
Okay.
My name is Vernon Wilbert, and I'm a commercial director and visual effects supervisor at Digital Domain and Mothership. And you need to subscribe to Silicon Slopes to get this message.
Wonderful. All right, we got it.
Brilliant. Okay, let's talk about, and then you want to start
Thank you, man.
Appreciate it.